Oh, we got a drinking vehicle over there. I guess I'll stop. That's kind of cool. Yeah, that's one of the things I do here. Go around downtown in the vehicle like that and drink beer. There they are. Get by. That's kind of cool. I thought I heard some yelling. Another one of those vehicles over here too. There's the third one that we've seen. There goes another one coming across over there as well. Great way to drink beer. That's kind of cool. Okay, we're cruising Detroit and we're on Gratiot Avenue, and you can see downtown Detroit directly that way. And just kind of see. So we'll just drive straight into the downtown, maybe show you a little bit that way, give you a little bit of an idea of what Gratiot looks like. So here we are in Detroit. Stay tuned. Okay, so we're gonna drive directly into downtown Detroit. We got these big wide boulevards. Those are some of the sides, stuff on the sides. I might even come over a little bit to the side so you can kind of view it from the angle there. Gratiot groceries. So yeah, we're here on a Sunday. We're just gonna check out whatever we see. Kind of a driving Detroit video. And as you can see, I'll just kind of let you know a little bit about the city. So originally it was attracted people from all over the world and such, and cars and such like that. But basically I can kind of tell you now that all the streets are quite wide, and a lot of it is because of the car culture. You know, just trying to make sure that, you know, the way the car industry went. So you got a red light here. But the way the car industry went, it just kind of let's kind of hang out right here. They kind of got these big wide roads basically. So this is kind of typical. So it was built after the car industry came. It was built to move cars in and out of the city quickly. So we have a lot of these roads, they all go right into Detroit, and this one is no exception. This Gratiot Avenue. So it's the same kind of structure. Big giant road, and then you got some pretty massive highways that go through Detroit as well. They basically are all designed to take people in and out quickly. And that's what they did. And they left people behind and kind of got what you got now. But beautiful, going right downtown like this on Gratiot Avenue. Another green light. KFC, world famous chicken. Yeah, there's some, we'll just keep the camera on all the way into the downtown area and kind of see what we can see along that way as well. Kind of move it to the side from time to time, but I hate to move the camera around too much though. guess. I kind of see stuff on both sides, of course. That looks real nice. Welcome to Detroit, Big Sean. Police. Gratiot Grill. Some beautiful artwork. Here's some good artwork right here. Looks real nice. Yeah, actually, my grandparents used to live here in Detroit. I forget the neighborhood, but they were Irish, so I guess I heard that wherever they lived, they got kind of tore out with the highway system. Some nice murals, some more artwork for the murals. Culture. Nice church over to the left there. Yeah, and actually Detroit is definitely a driving city, but you can walk around, and there's Midtown and downtown which are walkable, but some more mural artwork coming up. I'm also gonna have to get into the other lane in a moment. Let's do that now. I got some real nice artwork here, Gratiot Central Market. It's not always easy to know which way. There's some bike share programs, so. And actually, I was just looking here too. Oh, there's some nice artwork over there. There's a Ford Field. There's a nice Detroit Tigers is the baseball team here, of course. We'll just keep driving right into the city. No turns. Alright. Yeah, the downtown is typical American downtown. Kind of wish it was more pedestrian traffic. It is downtown, but I mean, it's not like New York or Chicago, but it is what it is. You'll see a little bit of it. I want to stay faithful to Gratiot, so I'm going to go on Gratiot until I can't go on Gratiot anymore. And then we'll take a left or a right into something for a certain amount of time. That seems about appropriate. Yeah, if there's a game going on here, there would be a lot of traffic downtown. I was just thinking about that. A lot of these big parking lots are you know, be waving in traffic. Gratiot. Oh, we got a drinking vehicle over there. I guess I'll stop. That's kind of cool. Yeah, that's one of the things I do here. Go around downtown in the vehicle like that and drink beer. I'm surprised it's not moving though. That is. Looks like we're gonna be following it. Nice. People mover. There's a train up above on the straight ahead. You can see that yellow train. I think you saw it. That's kind of cool. We'll be behind the people drinking, I hope. Get a little bit of something in the camera. Looks like they're not moving too much, so they're slowing down right there already. There they are. Okay. Gratiot's going to end soon, but we'll just stick with it all the way through. Detroit, Michigan, Gratiot Avenue. It's cool they got a Dodge right in front of me because it's water, winter, wonderland. Well, they definitely have water and winter in Wonderland. Oh, we got another vehicle, so there was Woodward is another main road. I think we'll follow that vehicle. Gratiot will end here, so so if I can get through this on the yellow, then I will. But this car in front of me really slowed down. Let's see if I can get by. That's kind of cool. I thought I heard some yelling. We got all the summer stuff, or all the downtown people walking around. So yeah, that's basically downtown Detroit. This is downtown Detroit. So kind of cool, Gratiot Avenue, downtown Detroit. Another one of those vehicles over here too. There's the third one that we've seen. There goes another one coming across over there as well. Great way to drink beer. That's kind of cool. Got another one coming up that you're going to see on the left in a second as well. Nice beautiful church on the corner there. Downtown. We're going to be driving on out momentarily. So there you go, Gratiot Avenue, and we got a little bit of downtown as well. So that's Gratiot. We're heading on Woodward, which is another main road. But we'll end it for our Gratiot video. That's Gratiot into downtown Detroit, and a little bit down to Detroit, and a little bit back out. But we're still in Detroit though.